The pressure is getting worse. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here. Happy New Year. How's it going, y'all? Happy New Year. It's 2023 and we still at this thing. We still here. We still kicking. We still alive. Let's make it happen. Let's do this thing right for a change. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I think I'm supposed to be a singer in my next life. Or was I in my past life? However way it goes. Anywho, we are here because it's 2023 and I still don't know how to do a wing liner. So we here. I've been watching all the tutorials. And we're going to figure it out today. Okay? Today. We're going to figure out how to do a wing liner today. So basically, according to the people, you got to put it on like lash glue. So I have this part down. Once we get to the winging of the lot, that's the part that I'm tremendously failing at. But so one video told me to take a straight edge something. So and they used the end of a brush, and they said to place it against the bottom lash, and that should tell you where to pull your line out at. Hopefully this works. Let's give it a try. I pulled y'all so close. You all in my pores now. So let's try to do this. Should I get the small mirror that I would do my lashes with? Hold on, let me get that. I'll be right back. I'm not really sure what's the best method to do this, and especially on camera. So let me do my line across. I think I'm gonna try to do it with this mirror. It seems like the best idea that I have right now. So yeah, let's try it with this small mirror plus our felt tip eyeliner from Sephora. Okay, so they say don't go up and don't go from down. Go across. So we're gonna go across. You gotta know that I was gonna be quiet during that because I got the shake hand and we need a straight line. So we have our line across. Now I'm gonna take my brush. Do I need a smaller edge on? Because it just seems like it's a thick joint. I feel like they all the same. This is as small as it's gonna get. We're keeping it a buck. Okay. So they said to place it against your waterline from the bottom lash, which is right here. And then they said to make like 2 out ticks and then connect them all. The thing is, how they expect me to hold the mirror, the brush, and this at the same time? We gotta do this by faith, y'all. We gotta do it by faith. Alright. We really gotta use the camera as the... I'm gonna put my mirror right here. Yeah, that's what how we gonna do that. So here we go, and then tick, tick. Okay, that's interesting. So then they said go midway from the line you created here. And then I don't think I could do it this way though. So I think I'm gonna have to take, I could bring this mirror back now. take this side and bring it out midways. Ain't nothing come out. So we just gotta make this line thicker, basically, because the thin line ain't working. And let's figure this thing out. So the pressure is getting worse. Did I do it? Low key, my lashes in the way, so let me pull it down. I feel like I kind of did it. Did I nail it? Did I nail it? Let me get the inner corner real quick. Okay, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I think I did it. Let's pull my lash down so y'all can see. Look at that. I think your girl just hit the wing. Let's see if I can do the other side. It's subtle, but it's there. Like, don't sleep on your girl. It's subtle, but it's there. Let's try. But I'm right-handed, so can I have that same success on the left side? Put one up for your girl. Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. Again, we're going to be quiet during this because I cannot talk and line at the same damn time. Okay. So I did notice that I'm having a little resistance because of the lash glue. It's doing too much, so it's making it harder to drag. But hey, these are the problems that you would normally have. So we gotta figure this thing out. All right, so on this side, I don't really know how to do the. Okay, let's go. All right, so it's lined up. Okay. Is that how far? Yeah, they kind of even. So I got my ticks there. Let's fill them in. A little thicker than the other side. So now they say to take, maybe was pulling my eye out my best move here? Okay, so let me pull a joint out. And now it says to take, go from the middle and then attach it to, all right, so we attached it and now let's just fill in the bottom. Did we nail it? Did we nail it again? So you mean to tell me I've been scared all this time to hit the wing liner? But trust me, I watched 50-11 tutorials on this first. Alright, let's see. It kind of need a little bit of cleaning up, but I think your girl did it. Let me see if I pull this side out. Ooh, I went too far. I'm doing too much. We got the wing and that's all that needed to be done. I'm gonna use this brush, put a little concealer on it to like make it point. But I think your girl nailed it. Let me do my inner side, let me bring it down to my inner corner. Not gonna lie, my lash was in the way a little bit, and maybe next time I'm gonna try it without a lash on. But feed from the future, because I was editing this video and I had took my lashes off, and let me just look at that. I ate. The wing is winging, okay? 8. I know it's gonna look better if I took my lashes off. I should have did it without my lashes, but now that I have them off, 8. Let's see if we can clean it up, because I'm gonna use the NARS, but in my shade, because we don't want to do too much. We don't want to do too much, and now all our hard work and dedication is gone. So let me see. I'm also seeing that's a good checker to make sure that the wing and your lash line match, because it's going straight to my lash line. Hopefully this wasn't just a fluke, and the next time I try this, it works too, because sometimes that do happen to me. I hate that for me, but it happens. I think your girl just pulled it off. All right, y'all. Give it up for me, because I've been fighting for a long time to get a wing liner. There are many YouTube tutorials. I think I finally got it. Your girl hit me with the wings. Oh, hit me with the wings. Oh, y'all, I'm a little bit too excited about this, and that's okay. Next time, I'm definitely gonna try it without my lashes on, and then see if I could get a better sweeping motion, because the lash glue did collide with the eyeliner, so it was a little hard to just like sweep it across to make your line. But either way, we got it done, and that's all that matters. We got the wing line. We got the wing liner. I'm so proud of myself. It's the little things that keep me excited, and this is one of them. But anyways, it's been real. It's your girl Fee, and if you need a tutorial, you let me know, because I just did my own wing liner, and they cute. It's been real. It's your girl Fee. Peace.